Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into St. George's bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into St. George's bank account online on our computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in stgeorge, Heorge .com.au and dot enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of St. Joe's Bank. And in order to proceed to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the log on button available over here. Click on that, and over here guys you'll be required to choose your bank account type. Either it's international banking, business banking online, or from these you will be able to choose your account whichever for you have signed up for while creating an account on Change Yours. For me it's just the internet banking, so I'll be clicking on that. And on this interface guys, a login panel will appear. Let's wait for it. And you'll be required to enter your card or customer access number, and after that enter your security number over here, whichever may it be, and after that enter your internet password over here. But if you have forgotten any of these details guys, you can simply click on the forgotten buttons over here, and then you'll be directed to a page where you'll be able to retrieve them. And after doing all of these guys, simply click on the log on button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your St. George bank account on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your St. George bank account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.